My name is Dawn Harvey, and I'm the founder of Embrace Your Greatness. And let me start off by saying that I believe in you. I believe in you because I was the woman that didn't know which direction to go in. I believe in you because I was the woman who made mistakes and tried to correct them. But you cannot be the same person getting yourself out of a mistake that you were getting yourself in. I believe in you because I've been terminally ill. I know what it's like to fight an illness and survive. I believe in you because I know what it's like to be abused. But you are not a victim. You're a victor. You can overcome. And it's never too late for you to become what you might have been. You can start your life over and rebuild it in 12 months. I've done it myself, and I've seen countless women do exactly the same thing. And guess what? You're just like them. You can start over, you can become a better you can build your life by design, and you can create the future that you always desired. You are not a totality of what you've been through. You are a totality of what you've survived, and you can do anything you set your mind to. Embrace Your Greatness has had women in 14 states currently utilize the program. And these women have not only changed their lives, but they've transformed their lives. What makes this program different? We don't just talk about it. We produce results. Something will be different in your life. Something will change in your life, and you'll be a better you at the end of the day. If you could change one thing in your life right now, what would it be? I'm here to tell you that you can get it done. We'll be with you every step of the way, and there's somebody that can show you how they did it that was in the exact same situation that you've been in. Now, I know that you think you're the only person that's ever been through what you're going through, but the truth of the matter is, if we were honest, you have more company than you can even realize. If you surround yourself with people who believe that you can be successful, that will give you a safe place to land and a support team, I know that you'll be encouraged to receive and achieve the next level of your life. It's time for you, yes, you, to embrace your greatness.